friends. Are you ready for a fun class? All right, let's see what letter we're going to learn about today. The letter is the letter V. V.
V. V. V. V. V. V is the name of this letter. Today, I'm wearing a vest. Vest starts with V.
Right now, you're watching a video. Video starts with V.
Hi friends, I'm in a vocal booth. A vocal booth is where people come to record their voices. Voices starts with V. While I'm in the vocal booth, I thought I'd use my voice and sing our morning song. Can you help me? Great, here we go. Good morning, Lord. It's gonna be a great day. I'm gonna learn and I'm gonna play. I've got my friends to help me along, and I've got you, so I'm singing this song. So I'm singing this song. Great job. Now here it is with a chipmunk voice. Can you sing along?
Good morning, Lord. It's gonna be a great day. I'm gonna learn and I'm gonna play. I've got my friends to help me along, and I've got you, so I'm singing this song. So I'm singing this song. Great job.
Oh, I'm sorry, was the volume too loud? I was vacuuming. Let's see what kind of dirt I picked up. Count the piles of sand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. V. Max, what are you playing?
A video game.
Video game starts with V.
V is for violin. Who can help you if your pet isn't feeling well or is hurt? A pet doctor. Do you know what a pet doctor is called? You're right. It's a vet. A vet is the best doctor for your pet. So if I came to a vet, this is what the room might look like. And I would put my dog up on this table so that the vet could take a look and see what was going on. And the vet would talk to me because my dog can't talk. And so I would tell the doctor if the dog was sick or hurt and what the dog needed. And the vet would use all of his brain power to think of what he could do to help the dog or the cat or whatever animal you brought to the vet. And then he would help. And then my dog would be better and he would be so happy. Or maybe the vet's office looks like this. There are lots of different kinds of veterinarians. Some of them work with big animals and some work with small animals. Some work with farm animals or zoo animals, and some work with your pets. Thanks for helping my dog, Dr. Vet. No problem. That's my job. I love helping animals. V is for vegetables, like avocados. Do you eat your vegetables? Can you think of some? I have some listed here and here. like broccoli, celery, cucumbers, peppers, and tomatoes. Do you like avocados? How about potatoes? V is for vote. Which one do you like the most? Veggie straws or vanilla ice cream? You can vote. V is for vacation. Have you ever been to California? How about San Francisco? That's the Golden Gate Bridge. We can go on a virtual vacation anywhere we want just by looking in a book or looking up on the computer different places we want to go and looking at pictures. Maybe we could even pretend we're there. Maybe we could be on the beach. Oh yeah, this is nice. Feel the sun, look at the waves in the ocean, feel the breeze through the trees. This is a nice virtual vacation. What do you think? Wouldn't it be nice to be there right now? I think so too. Vacation starts with V. Ooh, look at that cool vehicle driving across the bridge. Vehicle starts with V. Volcano! Volcano! Volcano. Hi friends, I'm in a painting. I'm surrounded by sunflowers. This is a painting by a famous painter with 2 V's in his name. Ready? His name is Vincent van Gogh. Vincent van Gogh was a famous painter a long time ago, and he made paintings like this one called Sunflowers. I'm going to try to make something like Vincent van Gogh, but I'm not going to use paint. I'm going to use chalk. Do you want to see? Okay, let's go. First, I made a vase like Vincent did to hold the sunflowers with yellow and blue, and then I drew the sunflowers. I made some of them big and some of them small. Then I added orange and green and yellow. You can see that the colors are getting darker and brighter now. Almost finished. Here's what it looked like when we were all done. There's Lola. She was with me when I was doing the chalk drawing of the sunflowers. Have a good nap, Lola.
V is for Viking. Vase.
And
Volleyball. 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 V.
some good books that have the letter V in them are The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle or The Velveteen Rabbit. How about Vampirina Ballerina or Olivia Becomes a Vet? And don't forget Violet the Pilot. I hope you have some of these books, or you can get them in the library or look them up online. Sometimes even the author reads the book. Enjoy.
Vase and volleyball. V is for volleyball. 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 V.
V. Thanks for watching. See you next time.